Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this Infinix. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on Special Function. Now tap on X Cloner and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, in my case Instagram. Now, after a couple of seconds, when I click on Home button, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete it, you can always hold it, choose Uninstall over here, or tap on this switcher next to Instagram and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!